all. Welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari and I teach in my YouTube videos about data science, artificial intelligence. So this information is for English medium students. Friends, currently I am teaching you the supervised learning, which comes under machine learning algorithm, fine, which comes under machine learning. So I am teaching supervised learning algorithms, fine. So supervised learning algorithm is itself in a very vast topic. It is a very vast topic. So I am making videos in part wise, fine. So first part I have released yesterday and second part I am releasing now, which video link I am giving you in my description box of this short video, fine. So please check this out, and tomorrow I will tell you the part 3 of supervised learning algorithms. So in 3 or 4 parts I will finish all the supervised learning algorithm in the simplest and easiest way, fine. This information is for English medium students only. So please keep learning, and thanks a lot. If you like my videos of those English medium data science, please like and subscribe and share it to your friends who wants to learn data science. And of course it is freely available on YouTube. And yes, if you want to get admission in the paid courses also, I will attach the link in my description box of these videos. You can get the paid courses also. Benefit would be you will get the certificate and as well as internship in paid courses. Thanks a lot.